record, you know what I'm saying? Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Tony back in the dungeon. This is one of the shoes that I wanted in my collection back when I was a kid, you know what I'm saying? Back in high school. Was it high school? It might have been high school. I can't remember. Anyway, this shoe right here. First of all, let me close the box. Let me show you the box. It's a Jordan 5 box. If you can see by the green Jumpman, it is the Air Jordan 5 Green Bean. You know what I'm saying? Let me get this second shoe out for you. First of all, I need a table. I got rid of my table. Need to bring it back. Alright, official colorway. Air Jordan 5 Retro, Silver, Green Bean, Flint, Gray. US size 10. Nike's tripping. They done took the retail off these on the boxes, man. So I never know. I just be click and confirm and go. So, it's a Jordan 5. That's the shoe. That's the booty. It's the bottom. We got the icy white soles. They probably going yellow. Ooh, that is different and weird. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but this little indentation where it separates, going from the icy to right here. I've never noticed that. See, this one ain't got that. It's not big of a dip, as much of a dip as this one. Anyway, the whole shoe right here, it's got that 3M material. So when you hit this with a light, let me see if I can get that on camera. When you hit it with a light right there, maybe let's do it with the flash. Let's take a picture with the flash. See if you can see that. Let's get it. Did y'all get it? Did y'all see it? Alright, so normally on the Jordan 5, let me go ahead and put my phone on silent. Be professional. Normally with the Jordan 5, that 3M is only on the tongue. So I got a pair of Jordan 5s right here. Don't laugh at them because I wear my shoes. They might look a little beat up. But that 3M is only on the tongue. This shoe right here, it's the whole shoe. So, and actually, yeah, I'm looking at that bottom part. That bottom part don't have that indentation on these. And I got a couple pairs of Jordan 5s that I can compare with, but maybe this is like a factory flaw. Which I ain't tripping. Ain't nobody looking at the bottom of the shoes, but I noticed it off rip when I touched it. So, this is the shoe. You know what I'm saying? It comes with the standard lace lock, you know what I'm saying, shoestrings, no extra shoelaces, I should say. And that's it, man. Green bean on the insole. Is it green bean? No, it's gray. It's actually gray. We got the green bean Jumpman. But the rest of the shoe, I don't even know what I'm going to wear these. I just wanted them so bad. And I was like, man, they drop them. Add them back to the collection, or add them to the collection, and make it do what it do. So without further ado, let's get into the B-roll and close this thing out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this was the Air Jordan 5 in the green bean colorway. You know what I'm saying? This is, it ain't a grail, but it's definitely a cop. Like, I had to have it in the collection. And now that I got them, I'm going to rock them. I ain't going to stock them. So, I say that often. Wear your shoes, man. Wear your shoes. So, like always, thanks for watching Unboxed on T and Toni TV, and I'm out.